Hey, I'm Shovon, an AI developer specializing in GPT-4 and AI solutions, which includes website, mobile app, and SaaS platforms. I create a custom chatbot and machine learning model with Python and TensorFlow, which integrates with backend technology such as Express.JS, Node.JS, and Django. On the front end, I use React.Js, Next.js for the web apps, and Flutter or React Native for mobile apps. I also handle UI/UX design, front-end, back-end, and full project deployment, so you get a complete solution ready to launch. With fast, clean, and optimized development, I provide 24/7 support and ongoing maintenance to ensure your project stays up to date and runs smoothly. Let's turn your idea into reality. Reach out to me to get started.